Hey y'all, Nadine here again today, and today I'm going to be making some gift card holders using my Xyron Creative Station, some Waffle Flower stamps, and this little cute, what do you call it, coffee mug or coffee cup also comes with a die that I'll be using, and then some of these little stamps and these little white mini bags from Canvas Core, and these that I have no idea where I even got these at, but I just thought they were kind of cool, and a bunch of scrap Christmas paper. I don't know, I'm really bad. I don't know if it's bad or a good thing, but I have a habit of saving a lot of my scraps. So I decided I wanted to use some of these up today. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is, using that coffee time stamp, I'm going to stamp it several times onto some Kraft cardstock, and I'm just going to stamp it in some VersaFine Clair ink. This is the Nocturne color. Okay, once I got them all stamped out, I am going to fussy cut out the center, and then I am going to re-stamp them on the pattern paper, the scraps that I showed you. So once I re-stamp them out, I am going to fussy cut them out again. I now have all my pieces cut out. So as you can see, this is the cup holder part, and then taking one of the tops, and that will go on the top of each one, just like that. And to adhere these all together, I'm going to run them through my Creative Station Lite. And this, I have the 3-inch permanent adhesive in this one. So let me run these through. Now that I got them all ran through my Xyron, just going to pull this layer off. Start assembling them before I take off the main coffee cup. And just peeling coffee cup off, and I'm just going to stick it right to the outside of the envelope. Like that. Now taking some of the little stamps from the Christmas tree stamp set from Waffle Flower, I'm just going to do some random little stamps on them and decorate them up, and then I will be done. And there they are, all decorated and cute, ready to go. Perfect for your coffee-loving friends or family. So you basically just stick the gift card right inside, fold over the edge. You can use a little sticker on there or some adhesive, and you are ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and the like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.